super easy recipes. Today I have a really simple and easy recipe for baked sea bass Cantonese style. Now this recipe requires very few ingredients and the minimal of preparation. My mum has made this dish for me since I was a child, and the only change I'm going to make is to bake it rather than steam it, because nowadays few people have a large steamer. The star of the dish is obviously the sea bass, which needs to be scaled and gutted. Your fishmonger can do this. You need to wash it inside and out. For the flavours, what you require is ginger, spring onion, lemon, soy sauce, oil, and just a little salt. The method couldn't be simpler. I'm going to take the sea bass and put it into an oven-proof dish. I'm going to add a little salt just to season it on both sides. Next, I'm going to take the ginger and cut it into thin slices. I'm going to put the ginger along the entire length of the sea bass, like this. Next, I'm going to finely slice the spring onion. I'm going to put the spring onion on top of the sea bass, again along its entire length. I'm going to pour over the soy sauce, about 2 or 3 tablespoons depending on the size of the fish. I'm going to pour over the oil, again about 2 or 3 tablespoons. I'm using vegetable oil, you can use any oil, including sesame seed oil. Finally, I'm going to add the juice of half a lemon. And that's it. There's no need even to stuff the fish. Next thing I'm going to do is to wrap the serving dish in foil to keep in the air, so that when it cooks, the steam will give the effect of a steamer. To cook the fish, I'm going to bake it in the oven, preheated at 220 Celsius for 12 to 20 minutes, depending on the size of your fish and your type of oven. If you have a steamer or steam oven, use that instead. Now, you'll know when the fish is cooked, when the flesh falls off the bone. The flesh will be succulent and the sauce fragrant. Yes, this fish is cooked to perfection. This dish is best served with plain steamed jasmine rice and stir-fried vegetables.